Survivor back there on drums, Mr. Phil Jones. And the original survivors over here on bass, Mr. Rick, the bass player, Rick Rosas. The newest survivor, Mr. Kelvin Holly. We've got a guest survivor tonight, would be Mr. Neil Young back here on guitar. And the great survivor, Mr. Spooner Oldham. So yeah, this song was kind of inspired by some of our recent losses.
Every time you think you got it made, that's the time it's slipping through your fingers, and it fades away. Yeah, it fades right away. And it's gone. Just when you think you got it all worked out, danger comes a knocking at your doorstep, and you fade away. You fade right away. You're gone. Gone. Your heart beats morning came too soon. Sadness filled the room. Long you were alone. Your heart beats better, sees every chance to make it all okay. Get your mermaid drawn, you're gonna need her.